Welcome to Bloodsport Stocks. Well, next week is the last trading week of the year. Can this Santa Claus rally continue is the question. It could be a lot of fun guys are caught off guards and is doing some late year buying to make their portfolios look good, is my guess. My mission is just to talk about stocks and let the viewers discuss and vote to see if the stocks are buy or sell. Market summary. Looks like the Santa Claus rally is not letting up, going straight into the New Year's. This week, solar is making a comeback, home builders are strong, and banks are continuing to roll higher. Oil is still weak, gold and crypto is rising. I'm flabbergasted. Who would have guessed that Costco continues to make new highs, up 2% after earnings, but Nike and FedEx are down over 10% and are both having guidance issues. My interpretation of this is that the spending is probably not even, with the high-end consumers doing good, but companies like FedEx and Nike that serves the majority of the consumers are seeing weakness. If you're in Nike or FedEx like me, I believe they could recover, so it might make sense to hold before selling, taking a smaller loss or perhaps a small profit. Bluebird is issuing more shares, causing a massive drop in their stocks, 57% this week. I believe this one could be a good speculative trade for those who are fearless. That said, this one with the cash burn rate is definitely risky. Will the shareholders have diamond hands? Kathy Woods from ARK Investments seems to have good things to say about CRISPR Therapeutics. This one could be a less speculative buy than Bluebird for those that are less risk averse. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Feel free to comment on the stocks we discuss. It's an open forum and discussion. Hopefully we can learn from each other. Comment below and thumbs up for a buy or thumbs down for a sell. Let's get into it. Let's talk about this week's stocks. This week it's Micron. Currently it's at $86 and the year high is $87. The stock symbol is MU. The pros. It bounced 6% this week after earnings. Momentum is definitely positive. Their earnings forecast seems good. It seems like they have the wind behind their back. The neutrals. Micron could be a very volatile stocks, so the price movement could be very volatile. The cons. It's still losing money. My take is Micron should be bought if it drops in the future below around 80-ish dollars. Their business seems to be stabilizing and it could be a good trade. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I do own small positions in Nike and FedEx. I do not own any Micron, but I might trade it next week depending on your inputs and votes. Comment below and let me know if you think it's a good trade. Thumbs up for a buy or thumbs down for a sell. Remember, whether the trade is a win or a loss, at the end of the day, all you have is your own dignity. Merry Christmas and have a happy New Year's.